بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Beginning by the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and kind. This is a smart tool from British Institute. This channel is based on knowledge. You are kindly requested to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Bed. A bed is a piece of furniture that you lie on when you sleep.
Cot. A cot is a bed for a baby, with bars or panels round it so that the baby cannot fall out. Blanket. A blanket is a large square or rectangular piece of thick cloth, especially one which you put on a bed to keep you warm.
Quilt. A quilt is a thin cover filled with feathers or some other warm, soft material, which you put over your blankets when you are in bed.
Bedspread. A top cover on a bed over other bedclothes.
Mattress. A mattress is the large, flat object which is put on a bed to make it comfortable to sleep on.
Rug. A rug is a piece of thick material that you put on a floor. It is like a carpet but covers a smaller area.
Carpet. A carpet is a thick covering of soft material which is laid over a floor or a staircase.
Wardrobe. A wardrobe is a tall cupboard or cabinet in which you can hang your clothes.
Curtain. Curtains are large pieces of material which you hang from the top of a window.
Sofa. A sofa is a long, comfortable seat with a back and usually with arms, which 2 or 3 people can sit on.
Armchair. An armchair is a big comfortable chair which has a support on each side for your arms.
Comb. A comb is a flat piece of plastic or metal with narrow pointed teeth along one side, which you use to tidy your hair.
Clothes hanger. A curved piece of wood, wire, plastic, etc., fitted with a hook and used to hang up clothes.
Dustbin. A dustbin is a large container with a lid which people put their rubbish in and which is usually kept outside their house.
Dustpan. A dustpan is a small flat container made of metal or plastic. You hold it flat on the floor and put dirt and dust into it using a brush.
Brush. A device made of bristles, hairs, wires, etc., set into a firm back or handle, used to apply paint, clean or polish surfaces, groom the hair, etc.
Broom. A broom is a kind of brush with a long handle. You use a broom for sweeping the floor.
Mat. A mat is a small piece of carpet or other thick material which is put on the floor for protection, decoration, or comfort.
Pillow. A pillow is a rectangular cushion which you rest your head on when you are in bed.
Clothes valet. A rack for hanging coats, hats, a change of clothing, etc.
Dressing table. A dressing table is a small table in a bedroom. It has drawers underneath and a mirror on top.
Shelf. A shelf is a flat piece of wood, metal, or glass which is attached to a wall or to the sides of a cupboard. Shelves are used for keeping things on.
Lamp. A lamp is a light that works by using electricity or by burning oil or gas.
Dust ruffle. A ruffled skirt hung from under the mattress and extending to the floor around the sides of a bed as a decoration.
Clock. A clock is an instrument, for example in a room or on the outside of a building, that shows what time of day it is.
Stool. A stool is a seat with legs but no support for your arms or back.
Bedside table. A small table beside a bed.
Air conditioner. A machine which keeps the air in a building cool and dry.
Window. A window is a space in the wall of a building or in the side of a vehicle, which has glass in it so that light can come in and you can see out.
Dresser. A dresser is a chest of drawers, usually with a mirror on the top. In Brit, use dressing table.
Poster. A poster is a large notice or picture that you stick on a wall or board, often in order to advertise something.
Slippers. Slippers are loose, soft shoes that you wear in your room.
Flower pot. A flower pot is a container that is used for growing plants.
Subscribe, like and share please, thank you. It is all for you.